Hello students, we are going to start our next unit, that is the effects of using IT. Further subtopics: effects of IT on employment, effects of IT on working patterns within organization, microprocessor control devices in the home, potential health problem related to prolonged use of IT equipment. In this video we will discuss only about effects of IT on employment. So what are the effects of IT on employment? There are many jobs that are created due to ICT and many jobs that are lost due to ICT. Let's discuss few of the jobs that are created due to ICT. For example, network manager or the technicians. Network managers are basically responsible for managing the network, all the computer, to make sure they are running smoothly and are secure. Web designers designs personal as well as commercial business websites. System analyst, these workers are responsible for designing new ICT systems. Programmers, that creates all types of software like application software or system softwares. Computer engineers, that build the high-tech computers that we use today. Delivery drivers, responsible for delivering goods to the customers, as online shopping is in high demand nowadays. Okay, now there are the jobs that are lost due to ICT. Okay, for example, manual repetitive jobs, factory manufacturing, spraying, welding, packing and assembling type of jobs have been replaced by the robots instead of human beings. Shop works, trend of online shopping has reduced the number of physical shops, so less workers are required to complete the same task. Office work, traditional work such as filers and typists has been replaced by the computers nowadays. Bank cashier, that is reduced use of ATM have reduced the requirements of bank cashiers. No need to go to the bank for all the things, so you have the ATM machines over here. Telephone exchange operators, telephone operators in exchange has been reduced as many of the tasks are done automatically without the need of operator. Okay, for example, if you are calling to any mobile company, so pin change or balance inquiry, so you can all this by using automatic operators without the need of personal operators. Then library work, use of e-books will reduce the library work and the need of librarians and other staff in the library. Now few were the jobs that were created, few jobs that were lost due to the IT too. Now some of the jobs that are changed in nature, means the way of working is changed, that are not created or lost, but the way of working is different nowadays by use of ICT. For example, payroll workers. Payroll workers before ICT, what they do a lot of file work, more workers required to complete the task. It calculates wages manually, number of days present, number of days absent, extra times, overtime, all these things they calculate the wages manually. But nowadays after ICT, less workers required to do the same task, calculate wages automatically by using any software. Okay. Next job, for example, typing. Previously typewriters were used and the large number of typists was required. Nowadays use of word processing softwares with fewer workers is enough. Car production workers, individual workers take responsibility of area of expertise in making one part by using the simple tools. Okay, for example, you are car producing, one is skill in spraying paint, one is skill in making wheels and other, but now robots do the same task. Increase productivity and efficiency. Trainings, before ICT, face-to-face trainings, you may have to leave their place to attend the training, you may have to go to another country, that cost a lot. Nowadays online conferences, that saves times and the cost. One term is used over here, de-skilling and the reskilling. De-skilling means when people who have been doing a skill type of job are replaced by the technology, requiring operators with the less skills. For example, if you are skilled for doing a car painting, but nowadays robots are doing the same things, so you are not using your skill. Okay, so this is de-skilling. You have the skill but you are not using because of IT. Another term is reskilling. Reskilling, when people change their job by learning the new skills necessary for another job. For example, we have learned about the previous job that are changed in nature, so you have to train about these. For example, for meeting you should know how to do online conferences, so you have to learn the new skills, that is known as reskillings. What are the effects of IT on business? Overall effects: data can be stored, processed and retrieved extremely fast. Vast quantities of data can be stored in a small amount of space. No need for the large rooms, large files, no need for the organization, only database softwares are enough. Computers reduce the need of paperwork also. Less workers required to complete any task, reduce wages expenses. Can connect with each other in different countries without leaving their offices. It reduces the travel and accommodation cost. So that are the effects on the employment. Thank you very much for listening.